We've always wanted to create amazing, affordable gaming PCs. From start to finish, each and every system is custom configured and built by hand, tested, and carefully packaged. Our systems have become the backbone for game developers, LAN centers, professional gamers, major esports tournaments, and everyday consumers. When professional players started competing and winning on our systems, we knew we were doing something right. We offer warranties and lifetime technical support with all our systems. For well over a decade, you've trusted us to bring you into the games you know and love. And we're right there with you, because we're gamers too.